Go to fakeinfo.net. Scroll down and in the Social Media Tools section click on the Facebook Chat Generator button. On the fake Facebook Chat Generator page, we get 3 view options for generate the fake Facebook chat. Choose the view option as per your requirement. On the left side, we get all options to generate a fake Facebook chat screen. You can hide the header and footer from here. Choose the OS platform that you want. Set time and battery percentage. Change the sender's name. Choose profile pic, write the message, and click the below button to add the message. Now, for the reply, go to the person to option. Write the message. Choose message status. And click the below button to add the message. Now click on the download button to download your screenshot.